Good evening, everybody. My name is Rizwan. I am a faculty of Microsoft Computer Center, Kanpur. Today in MS Word I teach what is table of contents and what is add level. Okay. Now for that, what I will do, I will go to MS Word. Here I will type some paragraphs. I will type some paragraph by using rand function. Okay. Now what I will do? Now in this, first of all, what I will do? Suppose I want to give some headings for the chapters. Okay. For that, I will go to an option called reference. You go to add text. These are the different heading sizes. Level 1, first will say chapter 1. Then again, like that you can keep on giving heading for different pages. Wherever you want, you can give. Okay. Again, what you do? Again, you go to add text. Okay. Again, you say, first you will say chapter 2. Okay. Again, you go to, like that you can keep on adding for each and every heading sizes. Suppose you think chapter 3 started from here. Again, you go to add text. This is for adding the different heading sizes. Level 1, level 2, level 3 is for adding different heading sizes. That's the chapter 3. Okay. Now what I will do? What are the chapters you added? Okay, I will go to the top of the page. Now this, I will create one table called table of contents. Always table of contents will come to the top of the page. Now I will go to one option, table of contents. Then what you do? You go to whichever design you want to select it. Okay. Now see, showing which chapter in which page number, which chapter for which page number. Now if you want to create a link, what I will do? Just click the table of content. Then you hold that is control. Okay. Now whichever chapter you want to go, press control and left click at a time. It will take me to that particular chapter. Okay. See, once again click on this, press control plus left click, control plus left click. It will take me to that chapter. Like that. Now this is the use of table of content. Suppose what I will do? I will save this file. Okay. Now I will give some name. Now same file I want to open next time. Okay, what I will do? I will close this file. Okay, same file I will open next time. Now again I want to add the extra chapters which is not added in the previous class. Okay, I will add from chapter 4. Suppose you think chapter 4. Okay. Now again I will type some extra paragraph by giving rand. Okay. Now suppose you think chapter 4. I will add chapter 4 from this particular area. Whichever position you want to select, but you have to use space. Again same thing. You go to reference, then you go to add text. Whichever you want to select. Suppose you say chapter 4. Again like that you keep on continuing adding the different chapters. Suppose you say chapter 5 is from this particular position. Enter. Okay. Again you go to add text. Whichever you want to select it. Here you say chapter 5. Now today what are the chapters I added? I want to include those in table of contents. Second time, if you want to update, you go to update table, then you click on entire table. See, now this is for adding the new chapters which is already created in the previous table of contents. Okay. Now this class is for how to create different levels and how to create table of contents in MS Word. Okay, thank you.